Story Factory helped me become more confident in my work and creativity. Please help fund it.
Story Factory lets my imagination go wild and lets me put it on a piece of paper in a story. Please fund us to keep continuing this.
So Story Factory helped me come up with my own ideas and create my own story, and because no one told me what to do or when to do it, they just helped me create my own story.
Hi, I'm Rebecca from Matraville Sports High School. I am an English teacher that works with the Year 9 group. This term, our students have been working so closely with Story Factory volunteers. The way that they've built the confidence in our students, brought in our students' interests, and really engaged the students that are most disadvantaged. That's really helped our students and our school as well. We really need this program to run because we wouldn't do this creative writing without the help of the Story Factory volunteers. And we've embedded their programs into our curriculum. It's become a part of our English program, so we really are excited every term to have them join us. Please support this application, and we look forward to seeing the wonderful things our students can do.
Hello guys, my name's Mike Gonski and this is my son Alex. Alex, where do we live?
In Clovelly.
In Clovelly. And what do you get to do right now is we get to read books together. And I'm the president of the Sydney Story Factory. And one of the things that I love is that I can help you to read books. But we want to be able to help other people, including the kids in Matraville, to be able to have the great advantage that Alex has to be able to read as many books as he wants. Anyway, we love the Story Factory and we love living in Clovelly, so please support our application. What do you think, Alex? I take that as a thumbs up.
Hi, I'm Kath Keenan. I'm the co-founder and executive director of Story Factory. Thank you so much for considering our application to work with the young people at Matraville High School. We've been working with them for a while now, and in weekly workshops they are making fantastic leaps in their writing skills, in their confidence and their engagement at school. We would love to keep working with them, but we can't do it without your help. They've made such great progress and we would really hate that to come to an end now. With your support, we can really make a difference in the lives of these kids who deserve every chance to succeed. Thank you so much for your support.